Her legs. Oh, for days. If she was here right now, maybe we'd have a house and a fence up in Silvertown, the place you talk about. That's a nice place. You really love her, huh? I'm on it. You? Oh. Hey, I'm Joe. Where's the throw up?
Over there in the middle of the lunch.
Yeah, I'll get that split. Speaking of lickety split, let's meet up later, see what's going on. Seriously, let's hook up. I'm new in town, kind of lonely, look at my parents.
Yeah. Well, the pig pile's right over there. It's a pretty good pile.